Imagine waking up one day and realizing that you can't recognize faces, not even your own child's, or maybe suddenly your right arm just doesn't feel like it belongs to you anymore. It sounds like science fiction, but these are real consequences of brain injuries, depending on where in the brain they strike. But here's the miracle. The brain is not a fixed machine. It's more like a jazz band, improvising, adapting, healing. This is a story about the brain's four lobes, what happens when they're injured, and how a concept called neuroplasticity is helping us rewrite what recovery looks like. Let's go back. For centuries, the brain was a mystery. Ancient Egyptians thought the heart did the thinking. Even in the 1600s, the brain was seen as a passive lump. It wasn't until the 19th century, through cases like Phineas Gage, a railway worker who survived a rod through his frontal lobe, that we started mapping brain functions to specific regions. We learned that the brain is made up of lobes, each with its own superpower. Frontal lobe, decision-making, personality, motor control. Parietal lobe, sensory perception, spatial awareness. Temporal lobe, memory, hearing, language. Occipital lobe, visual processing. Think of them as departments in a highly complex organization. When one gets damaged, the consequences can ripple through the entire system. Injuries can happen from trauma, stroke, tumors, infections. But here's where it gets fascinating. A frontal lobe injury might make someone impulsive or unable to plan. A parietal injury can make it hard to even feel your own body. Damage to the temporal lobe could erase parts of your past. An occipital injury might steal your ability to see. Not your eyes, but your brain's camera. These aren't just physical losses, they can alter who we are. And yet, thousands of people regain skills once thought permanently lost. This recovery is made possible by neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to rewire itself. Imagine a city with blocked roads. Neuroplasticity builds detours, neurons reroute, new synapses form, dormant areas get recruited for new tasks. Take stroke survivors. With therapy, some regain speech, movement, even after large areas of damage. Or children who undergo hemispherectomy, removal of half the brain, yet go on to lead functional lives. It's not magic. It's biology and persistence. Today, we have tools like fMRI, brain-computer interfaces, and neurofeedback to study these changes in real time. Cognitive therapies, brain training apps, virtual reality rehab. They're not just trends, they're real tools aiding brain reorganization. The story of brain injury isn't just about loss, it's about resilience. Your brain is a storyteller, a healer, and a survivor. We're learning that even in the face of damage, the brain fights back. Recovery doesn't mean going back to the old version of you. It means discovering new ways to be whole. And that's the most human thing about the brain. It adapts. It grows. It never gives up. If you or someone you know has faced brain injury, know this. Recovery is not a myth. It's a science. And science is on your side. Subscribe for more on the mind, the brain, and the stories in between. Because healing begins with understanding.